What's up guys, it's Aaron from howtosbybros, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to leg press without a machine. So let's jump right into the video, or how to do a leg press without a machine. So what you're going to need for this is just a band and some soft place to lay down. So you're going to have to lay down, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to lay down, show you. Lay down on your back and grab your band. It doesn't really matter what kind of band you have. Really, it's just, if it's this kind of band, if it's one with, you know, handles, whatever it is, just grab a band and put your feet in it, just like this. And if you want to do a leg press with a lot of weight, obviously you need a lot of resistance in the band. But just pull it back and just go like that. Don't extend all the way, but go close. Just like that. Really simple way to do a leg press without a machine. So that was how to do a leg press without a machine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I just want to share something really quick with you. So I'm passionate about 3 things I want to share with you. One thing is you are valuable and Jesus died for you and loves you enough to die for you. And then number 2 is you have a purpose. I want you to find that purpose. And then number 3 is fighting against pornography. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and God bless.